Today we're putting three different metals head to head against one of the most powerful acids used in the laboratory, 68% concentrated nitric acid. Each beaker contains exactly the same amount of acid, and to make this comparison as fair as possible, I'm dropping copper, iron, and magnesium into the beakers at exactly the same time. But before we begin, here's an important safety warning. Concentrated nitric acid is extremely corrosive, and these reactions produce nitrogen dioxide, NO2, a highly toxic brown gas. This experiment was performed with proper safety equipment and adequate ventilation. Never attempt it without the appropriate laboratory safety precautions. Now, let's start the experiment. The moment all three metals touch the acid, the reactions begin immediately, but each metal behaves very differently. Let's start with copper. Copper reacts more slowly than the other two metals, but it steadily releases thick brown nitrogen dioxide gas. As the reaction continues, the solution changes into a beautiful greenish-blue color as copper nitrate forms and nitrogen oxides dissolve into the solution. Now look at iron. Many chemistry textbooks say that concentrated nitric acid can passivate iron by forming a protective oxide layer. However, as you can see in this experiment, the iron still reacts noticeably. Whether passivation occurs depends on several factors, including the condition of the metal surface, temperature, and the overall reaction conditions. Finally, it's time for magnesium. Magnesium shows the most vigorous reaction of all three metals. The reaction is extremely fast, producing large amounts of gas and heat within seconds. The solution develops a light yellow appearance, not because magnesium nitrate is colored, but because dissolved nitrogen oxides give the solution its yellow tint. Now let's compare all three reactions side by side. Magnesium clearly produced the fastest and most vigorous reaction. Iron surprised us by reacting much more than many people would expect. And copper, although slower, created the most impressive color change. This experiment reminds us that chemical reactions are influenced by much more than the metal itself. The type of acid, its concentration, temperature, and reaction conditions can dramatically change the outcome. So, which reaction impressed you the most? Copper, iron, or magnesium? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because Shock Lab brings you amazing chemistry experiments every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next experiment.